Okay, good evening guys. We're going to be taking a look at the 2020 Audi S5 Sportback and the evening light package. So you got the dynamic LED matrix headlights with the laser lights. Unfortunately, you won't really see those too much unless you're doing highway speeds, and then the high beams will come on. Side, you got the convenience lights on the handles. Okay, we got the convenience lights going on right now, so we can see that you've got the S5 logo on both the driver's side and the passenger side. You've got the ambient light and the side doors, and of course we'll start up the car and you'll see also the lighting from the panels of the door as well. Door is open, so it's a red warning sign. Switches back to the blue. And there is a all-weather or fog light. Just going to turn that on. And that brings on the fog light. So let's look what that looks like out there. So it looks like it's on the side, far right and far left. It's very hard to see in this light, but I guess there's a fog light on there now. So one of the great things about the Audi S5 is there's a lot of features where you can change the settings on the car's interior lights. So there's exterior lighting in terms of the, I guess the convenience lighting when you're walking away and have the exit and entry delay on. The interior lighting is where you can really get a little more creative. And on there you can see there's a couple of preset colors. So Impulse changes the color on the sides to red, and you'll see that a little bit different on the floor. Maritime, a little bit more of a blue. But where you really get the chance to try to change the colors a little bit is with Individual. And here you can change the surface lines to various different colors. So you can see on the screen there's a wide range of colors all the way up to light blue, and it doesn't show up on the screen here very well, but all the way up to about 30 different shades of color you can pick from. And then that also affects the footwell as well as the different parts of the interior of the car. Okay, so one last thing regarding the different interior lighting schemes. If you actually select Drive Select, so depending if you're in Comfort, Auto, or Sport, the colors on the door panels and the floor well will change based on the Drive Select that you're in. Now, last thing I wanted to show you is on the exterior lighting, you've got the automatic headlights, the exit and entry lighting. So again, exit and entry lighting is just based on the time spent with the headlights on when you lock the doors and you're walking back to your home. The automatic headlights, they will come on either early, medium, or late in terms of if you go through a tunnel, it starts to get dark at night. High beam assistant and laser lights. So this has laser lights as well, which is a great feature. High beam assistant basically allows you to be driving and it'll switch the high beams on or off depending on if there's oncoming traffic. The laser lights will come on at just over 70 kilometers an hour, and they will assist with the projection of the light in terms of being able to see further out, and they will turn off roughly at about 50 kilometers when you start to slow down past 50 kilometers an hour. So really great features. The lighting on the car is amazing, a very bright white light and very good visibility.
So I've just put up a diagram here showing you the integrated headlight assembly, which has the laser lights, the LED headlights, as well as the all-weather light, all integrated into one package. And finally, as we take a look into the back of the car, you've got LED strip lighting in the back trunk, or hatchback as it were. And overall, I have to say that's one of the reasons why I really chose the S5 was the lighting package. The ambient lighting inside is amazing. The cool S5 light logo as you open your driver's door or the passenger door, and of course the laser lights in the front and the headlights. That wraps up this segment on the lights. If you enjoyed this, please stay tuned for part 2 as we take a closer look at the interior of the S5 Audi Sportback.